Hey friends, my name is Alexa, and today on Lovelex we're going to be teaching you how to do beach waves with a flat iron. This is the look that we're going to be recreating. It's one of my favorite hairstyles. I really don't do much with my hair. If you know me, I like to keep it really simple. And this one's probably my favorite out of all the things that I do with heat. For a couple of different reasons. The first reason is because normally I go like 3 days without washing my hair. I know, probably gross for some of you, but with this hairstyle I can go 4 days without washing it. I just hate washing my hair. It's too much of a hassle, and I was a hairstylist for 3 years and I'd much rather do someone else's hair than do my own. I don't know, was I in the wrong profession? Maybe. I also love this hairstyle because it looks really natural. A lot of people actually ask me about this and think that this is my natural hair. And as you're about to see, my hair is pretty flat, not a lot going on with it, so I always have to do something to it. And as the days go on, by day 3 or 4, it actually looks prettier. The waves have calmed down just a little, and it looks a little more piecey and a little more natural, like you just came from the beach. So those are some of the reasons why I love it. And I'm going to show you what you're going to need for this hairstyle. First thing you'll need is some light hold hairspray. I'm not a big name brand freak when it comes to hairspray, so any light hold hairspray will do. Anything super heavy might make your waves look crunchy and not natural, and we like natural. Second is this beach wave spray by Kristen S. It's at Target and it's super affordable. This will help with the separation of the waves to make it look more piecey and have some texture. This isn't a need for this tutorial, but I really recommend it. Then you'll need a clip to section off your hair. And lastly, you'll need a rounded flat iron. I use a GHD, which is a little more pricey, but it's worth it. I've had this one for 7 years. I should probably get a new one, but this one still works great, so why bother? It heats up super fast in 15 seconds, and there's no temperature setting on it because it just adjusts to whatever your hair needs, whether it's damaged or if it's healthy. So this is what my hair looks like naturally. Not a lot to it. I washed it last night, slept on it, and then I went running this morning, so it's loaded with dry shampoo. I have found for this hairstyle that it's better if you don't have super clean hair. I know that sounds crazy, but I have medium to fine hair, and if you wash your hair and then blow dry it and then do this style, it'll be too silky, too smooth. So I have to have a little bit of texture for stuff to hold. So what we're gonna do is just section our hair off. We're gonna do 3 sections. We're gonna do the bottom, middle, and top. And however much you wanna section off the bottom. I'm gonna clip this off. Then you're just gonna bring your 2 sections forward. I like to take about 1 inch, 1.5 inch sections, just about this much. The sizing really doesn't matter. The point of this hairstyle is to have different types of waves and it to be kind of piecey, not look super uniform. So, 1 inch is probably a good starting point. And you're gonna take your flat iron, and the whole time, this whole hairstyle, all you're going to be doing with your flat iron is going forward and backwards, forward and backwards. And because this flat iron is round, that's what's going to be creating the grooves in the waves. So I'll show you how I do it. So I start up at the top of the head and I go forward, then I drag it backwards. I kind of switch my positioning of my hands. I use both hands really to flip the hair easier. Forwards, backwards. See how you're already creating that groove? Forwards, backwards, forwards. And there, you have your first wave. And I forgot to put on some hairspray. That is the first step you want to do. Just light hold. You don't need a lot. You don't want to burn your hair with a ton of hairspray and the flat iron. Get another piece. Start up at the top. Forwards, back, forward. accentuate them a little more, make them a little bit bigger. I'm going to add a little bit more of some light hold hairspray. To get a little bit more volume, you want to hold the hair up at the top. That way it'll stay when you're spraying it from below. And I also like to add a little bit of beach wave spray, and I'll link all this stuff below. And you just want to spray it from your mids to ends. You don't want to put any up here. And there you have it. You guys saw how flat my hair was when we first started, and how much more volume and wave this hairstyle adds. So that's how you do some beach waves with a flat iron. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or would want to see more, just leave a comment and I'll